Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Did you know yawning has a hidden sunnah? The Prophet ﷺ taught us that yawning is from Shaytan. When you yawn, cover your mouth and try to suppress it. If you say ha during a yawn, Shaytan laughs at you. This simple act reminds us to be mindful in our daily actions. Even something as small as yawning can be a way to seek refuge from Shaytan. Let's strive to follow the sunnah in every little thing we do. May we benefit from this reminder and incorporate the Prophet's teachings into our lives. Ameen.